Hi folks, this is the Drobo, or to be more specific, this is the Drobo Gold Edition. For me, this is a Drobo 5D3. This is a 5 storage Drobo edition and it's absolutely brilliant. This has got Thunderbolt 3 and it's got an mSATA SSD card, which means it transfers data even faster to and from the Drobo. I use this as basically a large external drive. I put all of my work onto this, and the great thing is it backs itself up, meaning it's never going to lose a single image that I create. So if you're an illustrator, if you're a photographer, if you're a digital artist of any variety, 3D animator for example, you're never going to lose any of your work. And we all know how frustrating that can be if you've ever lost a file, if a file's degraded on you. You know, that can be a real nightmare, but the Drobo Gold Edition, you know, just works even faster and harder because of that mSATA card, because of that Thunderbolt 3 connection, but it also comes with 5-year DroboCare, which means that they will totally look after you in every way. Now, if this sounds absolutely amazing to you, it doesn't actually cost that much, but also today we are running a competition to give one away, and Drobo will actually send that out to you as well. Stick around to the end of this video and I will show you exactly how you can win one. But before we do that, we are going to actually come up with something as well, because a client has contacted me and asked me to restore one of their golden memories. Yes, we have an image here that is 100 years old. So the Drobo looks after my images, my memories, all my images of my family, my own son since he's been born 3 years ago, and it keeps those images safe for me and all my client work and everything like that. But a client's contacted me and they've got a 100-year-old photograph that really needs restoring. The photograph is really badly degraded, and that happens over time. But you know, I'm going to take a look at that now and we're going to restore that photograph. It's basically not photograph retouching. This needs re-illustrating basically, or needs illustrating. So we're going to take a look at that now. It took me 5 hours, but we are going to restore it in a speed paint fashion in 3 minutes. So let's take a look at that now, and then I will get on with the competition and show you how you can win your very own Drobo Gold Edition with that 5 years DroboCare and mSATA SSD card. Let's get on with it now. So here I am in Photoshop working on the Wacom 27 QHD Touch, and this actually starts off amazingly quickly, and the way it does that is by me just adding in simple greys over the top, trying to make this image look a little more 3D. It's just very black and white in the beginning, and I'm just making his facial features look very more three-dimensional and refining the few details that I do have to start off with, sharpening up the hair, the edges of the suit and the lines that I do have. Where he has hair, I'm refining each individual hair and the edges. I can see rough eyes, so I'm adding in pupils, giving him eyebrows that he didn't have before, things that I know are definitely there. I'm making him look more like the man I feel that he is, and slowly but surely he's coming alive. At this part I started to think he looked a bit like Chevy Chase, which I kind of wanted to get away from. But as you can see, I've brought up the original image and I'm making sure that he looks like the man that I feel he is there from that small thumbnail I've got in the corner. But I'm just making sure that he feels like that person. And I've got on my other screen, you can kind of see it in the corner there, I've got pictures from that period of time, making sure that I'm looking at reference images of hairstyles from that period, of mustaches from that period, and making sure that I can capture the photographic qualities from that period as well. I want this to look like a photograph more than an illustration. It's always going to look like a illustration more than it is a photograph, but I truly want to make sure that it does look like a photograph. I'm even going to add photographic kind of deterioration to the overall image. I'm going to blur out certain details as well when we get to the end there, and that's why I'm doing it very high contrast, but I'm adding textures to it, to the fabric, to the skin as well, and that will hopefully shine through in the final image, as you will see. And that's what I'm doing right now, as you can see, but I'm also blurring it and adding noise to it as well. And hopefully you will agree that he's starting to look a lot more like the man in the corner there. And I'm just adding detail as I go and refining it and refining it. And I'm really happy with how it comes out here. And I'm just polishing this up now, checking that it does look like the man, adding more noise even as I go along here. But I really felt this came along. This was 5 hours of work. I used very few brushes other than the ones just to add this noise and deterioration. But to me, that really looks like him, and the client was very, very happy. To me, that looks very photographic at the end there. What do you think? So details are in the description, so you can go and have a look at the Drobo itself. The competition URL is in there as well. Then all you have to do is upload a image, be it a photo of your favorite golden memory, be it your favorite illustration, whatever it is. Give it a quick description as to why you feel you should win, why it's your favorite memory, whatever that may be. Then just add your contact details in there. Sit back and wait to see if you're the winner. That's it. Nice and easy. The competition is running from the 3rd until the 16th of September. Make sure to stay subscribed to me, and I will tell you who the winner is on the 24th of September. So hit the notification bell and it might be you. For all other information about the competition or about the Drobo Gold Edition itself, please refer to the website for details. Again, that competition link is in the description. So good luck out there. Hope you enjoyed the video and the speed painting, retouching / illustration of this very old photo. Look forward to seeing all of your pictures up there, and yeah, and seeing who the winner of this might be. Ooh, who might win? Ooh, is it you? Ooh, yeah. It's going to be one of you guys. So, who might it be? I will obviously show that off in the announcement video. So, if it's one of you guys who's doing an illustration, taking a photo, I look forward to it. Ciao for now, brown cat. Bye bye.